So let's solve question number 6. Yeah. The question number 6 states that a linear production function contains 4 activities for the production of one output using 2 inputs. Okay. So the question states that a linear production function contains 4 activities for the production of one output using 2 inputs. So the input requirements per unit output are, so the input requirements per unit output are, they have given the data, that is A11 is equal to 1, A12 2, A13 3, A14 is equal to 5. Similarly, A21 is equal to 6, A22 is equal to 5, A23 is equal to 3, and A24 is equal to 2. Okay. So the question is, are any of the activities inefficient in the sense that there is no input price ratio at which they would be used? So the question states that are any of the activities inefficient in the sense that uh, there is no input price ratio at which they would be used. So this is the question statement. Okay, now to solve this or to determine that whether any of the activities are inefficient or not, we need to check if any of the activities have a negative shadow price for all possible input price ratios. So let's solve this problem. Okay, so to determine whether any of the activities are inefficient, we need to check if any of the activities have a negative shadow price. For all possible input price ratios. Okay, so we can find the shadow price using the dual problem. Okay, so we can find the shadow prices using the dual problem. Okay, so the objective function is to maximize P1 plus 6P2, right? As per the given question, and there will be many constraints. Okay. So the objective is to maximize P1 plus 6P2 and the subject to 2p1 plus 5p2 is less than equal to 1, then 3p1 plus 3p2 is less than equal to 1, 5p1 plus 2p2 less than equal to 1. And it's given that p1 and p2 are greater than equal to 0. So the optimal solution to this dual problem gives us the shadow price for inputs 1 and 2 respectively. Okay. So the optimal solution to this dual problem gives us the shadow prices for inputs 1 and 2 respectively. Okay. So solving the dual problem, it yields. So solving the dual problem yields that you will get if you just apply the basic methods of dual problem solution. You will get that P1 is equal to 1 by 37 and P2 is equal to 1 by 37. So we are getting that both are same. Okay. So since both shadow prices are positive, there is no activity that is inefficient. The sense that it would not be used for any input price ratio. What was our question here? The question they have asked that are any of the activities inefficient in the sense that there is no input price ratio at which they would be used. Okay. So since both shadow prices are positive, there is no activity that uh, is inefficient in the sense that it would not be used for any input price ratio. Okay. So this is the solution of this problem. Got it? Okay. Thank you.